Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 28 from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. As we know that the question number 28 is from section A, therefore it is a MCQ type question. Hence, among these four given options, only one option is correct and we need to find that. So let's see what is in this question. Let x1, x2, xn be a random sample from exponential with parameter theta, where theta belongs to 0 to infinity. Now, if x bar is equals to 1 by n sum over xi, then a 95% confidence interval for theta is what? Okay. So, let's start the solution. By the question, x1, x2, xn follows exponential theta. Okay. Therefore, the PDF of xi is theta e to the power minus theta x, where x is strictly positive. Now, this implies 2 theta xi is chi square 2. Therefore, we can write 2 theta sum over xi is chi square 2n, or we can write 2 theta x bar is 2 theta nx bar. Sorry, 2 theta nx bar is chi square 2n. Okay. Now, this is a chi-square random variable, then it must be strictly positive. Hence, we can write probability 2n theta x bar is in between 0 to chi square 2n comma 0.05 is equals to 0.95, or we can write theta is in between 0 to chi square 2n comma 0.05 divided by 2n x bar is equals to 0.95. This we get from the definition of confidence interval. Hence, the confidence interval for the parameter theta is nothing but 0, open in 0 to chi square 2n comma 0.05 divided by 2n x bar, and at this point the interval is closed. So this is a 95% confidence interval for theta. Hence, the option C is the correct answer. So we have solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.